Yeah, this was a super highlight. Hidden camera. Paparazzi took me this video without my notice, but I thought it was cool highlights, guys. You welcome once again to Creation Live, Fidelia. So it all started at us. I was feeling so worn out, bored at home, so I decided to take a stroll in the city. And yeah, we just started with sanitize, and I had to sanitize my hands before I start going in the air. So I'm hanging in there, guys, just hanging in there.
Nein, das Problem ist, du musst eigentlich nicht so mit deiner Zahn so sunny.
We needed to do anything funny, anything creative, anything that will give us fun this afternoon. So I'm with my little Pitty here. So taking selfies, I mean, in the green, nice environment as a goddess of the green, you know, guys. I really love the green, and yeah. So dancing in my space, I mean, happiness is a choice and you have to choose it. So dancing and I mean, given some kind of attitude in my space. Happy afternoon to Berliners. So I found that this area is so attractive and so relaxed, so I was just like, let me just sit there for a while, and my paparazzi was just doing a very great job. I mean, my Pitty Clara was really doing her camera side attraction around. Oh, guys, my Clara had done a lot. We needed to take some selfies together. I mean, to have fun together in the afternoon. So, yes, it's sunny, and that's what we get to do. Yes. So now the pathway, we're going to the field now. We have to relax and have fun. It's going to be a crazy afternoon. I promise you guys, it's going to be a crazy afternoon. There were so many crazy things we did here, and yeah, stay tuned in right here on this video. We're not done yet, guys. Just keep your fingers crossed here. So I don't know. Yes. The fun begins, the mad fun begins here on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. As you watching, have fun and subscribe, like, press the link button, and for all your notifications, guys. No hurt, all love, one love, one love.
Oh, it's a very nice weather. Filipinos know this bag. We are all used to we are all used to this bag.
I'll take the Nuts Savanus. Vanus.
Nog even dazu.
Ich habe keine Ahnung. Okay, die Strawberry Cheesecake.
Eine Strawberry Cheesecake.
Ja.
Ich schon.
Nee. Temporary.
Ich wollte das sagen, aber du hast gesagt,
Ja, aber
nein.
es ist habe ich nicht geguckt. Deswegen. Ich habe die ganze Zeit nur unter. Also ich kann
Dann eine Pistazie und noch eine Strawberry.